Here is the baby blue margarita as opposed to the adult blue margarita, okay? They're a little different. Anyway, so here's what we go. We grab a sexy little lime. That's my delicate hands, okay? Seriously, I know my hands don't match my voice. Just roll with it, okay? Rim the glass with that lime. Stick it in some sugar. Now we got a sexy sugar rim. Why do you put sugar in everything? Because we can, okay? Tequila, sweet and sour. Come behind that bad boy with some simple syrup because we want it extra sweet. Don't ask me why, okay? We just follow the recipe here. Shake, shake, shake. Drop some ice in the glass. Pour in our delicate little mix. And then you know what we can hit this with? Do you know? Blue Curacao! Can I get a shout out for all my blue brothers out there? Okay, and that is our drink. Delicious, simple, super sweet, okay? I don't know why we have so much sugar on this show. I need to talk to the creators, okay? And there you have it, the baby blue margarita. Are you gonna drink it or are you just gonna look at us and freak us out? I don't know.